What's up, YouTube? This is your boy D Core, nickname Crypto Core, with another awesome video for you guys. Alright, so this one's called How to Avoid the 3 Most Common Affiliate Marketing Mistakes. Avoid these 3 mistakes and you will make more money online. So let's get into it. Here's why we should avoid these three mistakes in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most effective and powerful ways of earning some money online. This program gives everybody a chance to make a profit through the internet. Since these affiliate marketing programs are easy to join and implement and pays a commission on a regular basis, more and more people are now willing to try this business. However, like all businesses, there are a lot of pitfalls in the affiliate marketing business. Committing some of the most common mistakes will cost the marketers a large portion taken from the profit they are making every day. That is why it is better to avoid them and than be regretful in the end. So the first one is choosing the wrong affiliate offer. Many people want to earn from affiliate marketing as fast as possible. In the rush to be a part of one, they tend to choose a bandwagon product. This is the kind of products that we think is hot. They choose the hot product, and it's in demand without actually considering if the product appeals to them. This is not a very wise move, obviously. Instead of jumping on the bandwagon, try to choose a product in which you are truly interested in. For any endeavor to succeed, you should take the time to plan and figure out your actions. So pick a product that appeals to you, then do some research about that product and see if it's in demand. Promoting a product that you are passionate about is easier than promoting one just for the money. Second one is joining too many affiliate programs. So there's ClickBank, there's JVZoo, there's this one, there's that one, there's the other one. There's a bunch of them out there. So they're really easy to join, and you can be tempted to join multiple affiliate programs to try to maximize earnings, thinking that the more you join, the more money you'll make, right? Well, I mean, it is a way to have multiple sources of income. However, joining multiple programs and attempting to promote them all at the same time will prevent you from concentrating on each one of them. The result, the maximum potential of your affiliate program is not realized, and the income generated will not be exactly as huge as if you were thinking initially. The best way to get excellent results is by joining one program that pays up to 40% commission at least, and give it your best effort by promoting your products enthusiastically. As soon as you see that it's already making a reasonable profit, then maybe you can join another affiliate program. So start with one, rock it, and go to another one. The technique is to do it slowly but surely, but there's really no need to rush into things, especially with affiliate marketing. The way things are going, the future is looking real bright, and it seems affiliate marketing will be staying for the long term. Next one, not buying the product or using the service. So as an affiliate, your main purpose is to effectively and convincingly promote a product or service to find customers. And for you to achieve this purpose, you must be able to relay to the customers that a certain product or service is what it is. Therefore, it's difficult for you to do this when you yourself have not tried these things out. Thus, you will fail to promote and recommend them convincingly. You will also fail to create a desire in your customers to avail any of what you are offering. So try the product or service personally before you sign up as an affiliate to see if it's really delivering what it promises. And if you have done so, then you are one of the credible and living testaments aware of its advantages and disadvantages. Your customers will then feel the sincerity and truthfulness in you, as you will trigger them to buy and try it out for themselves. In closing, are you ready to take the next step? Many affiliate marketers make these mistakes and are paying dearly for their actions. Don't fall into the same situation they have been. Try to do everything you can to avoid making these same mistakes. Time is the key. Take time to analyze your marketing strategy and check if you are on the right track. Done properly, you'll be able to maximize your affiliate marketing program for higher profits. So that's it for this video, guys. 3 mistakes that you need to avoid in affiliate marketing, and you will be successful. If you're really ready to take the next step in your journey towards affiliate marketing, click on the link below for my #1 recommended program for affiliate marketing and an online business. And if you have any questions, leave a like and a comment below. If you like this comment, please subscribe to my channel. This is DC, D-Core, nicknamed Crypto Core, signing out. May you live large, may you prosper, and may your jumpers hit nothing but the bottom of the net. Peace.